Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Fiery Flame here, and I'm back again with another video. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get right into it. But what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be taking a look at this. No, not taking a look, but what we are going to be doing is something very cool. I am going to be doing something pretty cool, and what I'm going to be doing is a annual house inspection. Just kidding, but it's going to be it's going to be something cool. I'm going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to see if I can drink all of this water in 1 minute. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm doing good so far. Oh. Okay, my score is going good so far. Look how much alright, so my score is still doing good. Oh, disgusting. Alright, guys. Now the water is going down because Alright, let's keep doing it. Alright, guys, I did the challenge. As you guys can see, I don't have very much time left of the challenge, so we're gonna do the rest of the time wisely. Alright guys, I'm done with the challenge now. Now, just kidding. We still gonna do some more. Alright, now I gotta keep on doing it. I did it, guys. Okay, guys, I did it, guys. I did it. I completed the challenge. And that was the drink all of the water challenge. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then be sure to smack that like button.